Welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that very popular Husqvarna 372 XPW. That's that 75cc motor, 13.4 pounds on the power head. This is a very popular saw in the Pacific Northwest, capable of running a 36-inch bar. This one features a brand new 28-inch bar and chain. This is a used unit, but the bar and chain is brand new. And we'll take a close-up at some of the great features on this saw. Controls are easy to get at. You got a kill switch right here, choke lever here, and also it trips the high idle. When you pull that out, you don't have to have your hands on the trigger to start this saw. That makes it easier for starting on the ground. Use this foot pad that's right here, and one hand on the handle, foot here, and it's a lot easier to start. You can push that choke lever in and listen for that little click. See that choke move a little bit? That goes back to idle, and then you're ready to operate the saw. Got the operator presence lever. That's a safety feature. That's if you're carrying the saw through the woods. Limb were to get up in here, it's not going to trip the trigger. You got to have your hand in place. It's got the heavy duty filter system. Big filter, big large air capacity. Got the side load on your mix oil, mixed gas and oil, and on the bar and chain oil up front. It's a side load. It's real easy to get at. There's the gas right there. These steel springs are really nice. They're very heavy duty, very durable, and very smooth. They're vibration isolators, and there's 3 of them on this saw. Got one here, one over here, and then on the handlebar area right there. Really eliminates the vibration on this saw. Got a working chain brake. Got the large quiet tone muffler, large falling spikes, one on each side. Got the side adjust on the bar and chain here, and that's a nice feature. Loosen up the 2 bar nuts. Right there's where you adjust the tension on this saw. Decompression valve right there, the blue button. Just push it in. It pops out automatically. Every time the saw starts or tries to start, that'll pop out. So once it tries to start, you push it back in. Pull it over again, it'll fire up. And just a very nice chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it. Now bear in mind it's 12 degrees outside, so we'll go out there and try to cut some frozen wood.